right, so this morning is cray-cray at my house. We're having a big, huge yard sale from our Aunt Jane, who passed away. Her entire everything is at my house. And I have my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, we're all there. But I had a nail appointment, so I had to leave, going to get the nails done. While I'm in the vehicle here, I brought my chocolate shake, water and ice. That's it, nothing else added. Staying focused, because I am a warrior princess this weekend. Ta-da! Nails are done. I still love this shape, and I love the color. It's an ombre gel, I guess, is what you call it. It's not the dip powder, because I know a lot of you were asking me if it was dip. And this necklace, I know, I think I wore it on an Instagram post. Someone was asking. It's a druzy. There you go. So, all right. We're headed back to the garage sale. Ah, let's go. I'm so excited.
One for the resting, for the adjusting, one for the tired hands, one for the letdowns, all thanks to this old town, one for the shattered plans. You know the time has come for breaking some new ground. I'll let you drive, so we will stare at views we can't believe we found. We'll feel alive. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive off again. Let us drive off again. Let us where we fall. Once know what's right, my friend. Let's ride through the night. Let's ride through the night. We'll keep on going into the sun. We won't be slowing down all the night. You're still my favorite queen of the night, my friend. Let's drive off again. Let us drive off again. You need a high throne where you can be adored.
All right, guys, so the sale is going, and taking a break. Having a little bit of 99% ground, 99% lean ground turkey and some spinach. I'll still have another vegetable for later. And this is the amount, this is 7 ounces of turkey burgers. So I'm gonna put a little bit of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil on top as my dressing, and head back out to the sale. It's time for the next fueling. I am roasting. It's so hot outside when you're sitting out there in the heat. I got a little bit nauseous. So I'm gonna have a shake, vanilla. So good, nothing in it. Just vanilla shake, ice and water again. Going with no condiments in that. It's like ice cream. I wish somebody could make sugar-free sprinkles, because boy, oh boy, if I threw some sprinkles in that, it would be like ice cream. All right, I'm gonna go back outside and help my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, and Jess get the rest of this stuff done, and I'll see you back at the next fueling. Garage sale was a hit. We did very well. We sold a lot of stuff. And now, as a reward, I am going to go to Rita's to get my family some, oh, ow, that was my knee. Going to Rita's to get my family some ice cream or custard, whatever they do over there. Oh, I'm fried. Doesn't look like it, but I'm hot. Jess got so sunburned because he's so fair. And I'm gonna down a Powerade Zero. All right, so to Rita's we go. What a long day this has been, but it's been really fun. So.
Of anything.
What you got?
Nothing.
It's a pumpkin basket and a wedge. This is what's left. Does anybody want it? Going once. Going twice.
I've tried to sell it so many times.
What?
No, stop recording.
What do you think about that,
The
Rickers?
factor is out again.
I think that we're never going to do this again.
How much fun was that? For us, it was a blast, but long day. And now I'm like 4 hours into not eating, which is not good. So I'm catching up with some garlic mashed potatoes cooked as is in a bowl. And I'll see you at the last fueling.